Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, but we're going to start off with this here first. Let's introduce ourselves.
I'm Carolyn.
I'm Doug.
I'm Daniel. I didn't get the memo. They're both wearing red. I'm wearing my black shirt here.
You just didn't pay attention, did you?
Yeah.
Alrighty. We're going to have a little drawing. We've been talking about this for a while. This drawing here will just be, once again, I'm sorry for just in the United States. We'll try to do something later on for the people outside the country. It's going to be 2 Amazon cards, 2 prizes. $25 Amazon. I know it's not a lot. I mean, maybe it'll help out a little bit. For the drawing, what we're going to do in today's video, the What's for Supper Wednesday, the one, I believe today it's going to be goulash is what we fixed.
Yep.
In today's video, leave a comment. Please be subscribed. Leave a comment of what state you're living in, and also your favorite Christmas movie. That sound good?
Yep.
Yep.
Alrighty. And you've got till Sunday. What we'll do, Sunday night we'll have the drawing, and then on Monday's video we'll have the winners. And then what you do, you email us on Monday. We'll give you 24 hours to email us back. If you don't email us back, we'll have another drawing for someone else. That sound good?
Yep.
Yep.
Alrighty. And then what we can do, we can just email you a picture of the Amazon card with the number, and you can go ahead and spend it there. Alrighty, folks. Anything else?
Nope.
Nope.
Once again, we'd like to thank all of you for watching
Yep. Thank you.
and helping us out. And on to the video for today. Thank you again for watching.
Yep. Thank you again for watching.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks.
Thank you.
Don't turn it off yet. Watch the video today. Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and today we're going to be fixing a goulash. Now, goulash, you can fix it however you want. We're just going to be giving you a base idea how we do it today. We're going to be starting off, the recipe calls for 2 pounds of burger. This is going to actually be, we'll be using about 2.5 pounds. And then 1 quart of crushed tomatoes. Diced tomatoes work fine. And then 1 quart total of tomato sauce. 3 cloves of garlic, which Carolyn figured up there would be how much?
Half a teaspoon.
1.5 teaspoons. Alrighty. 1 onion cut up. 1 pound of your favorite macaroni. Don't have to be elbows, whatever you want. Alrighty. And then over here we're going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Oh boy, man, I got it right. And then this here is just for afterwards. We don't need that in there right now. And we'll be putting in, let's see. Alrighty. We're going to be putting in 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. And then at the end, we're going to be putting in this pack of cheese. And that'll sort of just melt all in there and to make a goodness. Alrighty, let's get started. We'll brown our burger with our onions and garlic, and then we'll go on from there. You can go ahead and start cooking your macaroni. Cook it about 3 minutes less than before it's done. It'll finish cooking once we add it to this. Alrighty. Let's put our garlic in there. We can throw our onions in. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty. Throw the burger down in there. We're going to keep a little bit set to the side over here without the onion garlic for a little girl. Now all we're going to do now, folks, we're going to brown all this up, and then we'll get back with you. I'll be getting a pot out for our macaroni. See you in a minute. Alright. Hold on just a second. Let me turn this down back here just a second. We was watching Homestead and Pasture Law. Okay. Now, we browned the ground beef. We've got our water over here boiling. We're getting ready to add. I put a little bit of salt into the water. We'll add some water to that jar there in a minute. We don't want to leave nothing behind there. Let me give our pasta a stir. Don't want none to stick to the bottom. Leave our spoon in there. Making a mess, Doug. Man. Run a little bit of water. Be right back, folks. Alrighty. Now, I'm gonna get our spice and all. Add that stuff to it. Alrighty, 1 tablespoon of the Worcestershire sauce. Why I had such a hard time with that, I have no idea. And then put in the rest of our seasoning here. Alrighty, we'll show you here in just a minute. We add the rest. There's Farmer Bradley over there singing on Pastor Lon's channel. Alrighty. Just add your noodles in there. Like I said, we took them off after about 9 minutes. Stir that in. We're going to let it sit here and cook just a little bit longer, and then we'll give it a try here soon, folks. Now I'm going to let it sit here for a little bit, and then what we'll do, we're not going to add the cheese to it yet. We'll do that shortly. Good job. Alrighty, folks, there you have it. We decided on the cheese to go ahead and just hold off, and if you want some, you can put it in your own individual bowl. Carolyn and Dan both tried it. They said it was good. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be a seeing you Friday. Thank y'all again for watching. Stay safe.